Given the overlap in the symptomology, it can be difficult to differentiate one level from the next. So do I have heat cramps or am I just dehydrated? The difference between them is a matter of degree, particularly in your body's ability to self-regulate its temperature and how fast you can recover. For example, you can usually recover quickly from heat cramping by properly rehydrating, but heat exhaustion may take several days or even weeks to get over. Heat exhaustion. Given my symptoms, I figured my condition fell somewhere between heat cramping and heat exhaustion, but was getting progressively worse as I continued hiking without any extensive rest breaks or a day off. Once I got below treeline and off the baking rocks of the northern Presidential Mountains, I sought out a shady camping spot in the forest near a cool stream. There I washed 3 days' worth of sweat off of my body. Leave no trace style, of course. More to get clean than to cool off my body, even though that is recommended treatment for heat exhaustion. After bathing, I continued to experience nausea while trying to get some dinner down and then had to struggle to stay awake until nightfall. Treatment for heat exhaustion. The primary treatment for heat exhaustion is to rest in a shady spot or better, an air-conditioned room, and to drink cool water. You can lower core body temperature by immersing yourself in cold water or spraying yourself with cold water and fanning. Water is usually enough to reverse dehydration, but electrolyte-enhanced sports drinks, like Pedialyte, can also be helpful for recovery. If you don't feel better within an hour, it's recommended that you seek medical treatment, which can include rehydration via intravenous fluid, and more aggressive cooling using ice blankets and cold water immersion.